In this tutorial, we will show you how to add applications to basic fields in Manure Tracker. If you haven't watched the Getting Started in Manure Tracker video, you might want to do so before continuing. You will need to have created a list of basic fields to continue with this tutorial. Open up your Manure Tracker app on your phone and go to your field list. Tap the field you want to record an application to. Enter the spreader volume in tons, then select the manure source type from the list of available sources here. You should have either solid or liquid manure choices based on the manure type you chose when making the field. You can add a custom manure source by clicking on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner and typing in its name. That source will now show up as a choice in all future applications for all fields. Then choose the application method from the drop-down menu. You can choose whether the manure was applied on the surface of the soil, injected, or incorporated within 1 hour, from 1 hour to 3 days afterwards, or incorporated more than 3 days afterwards. Then add any notes here as needed. Click Save Application and the application will be saved to your records. If multiple applications were made of the same type, click Save Application as many times as you need. You can select Field Complete if you have successfully recorded all applications to the field. This option is only available for basic fields. You can also view application history by clicking here. Date of application will automatically be set as today's date. If you go back to the field list, you will see your field along with the number of applications made to it. If you made multiple applications of the same type as before, simply click the plus sign to add the application multiple times. If the field was marked as complete, it will have a green check mark by it. However, you can turn this off to edit the field by clicking on the field to go back to the New Application screen again and flipping the switch next to Field Complete. Anytime you want to change the application type, you can return to the New Application screen. This is the end of the tutorial on recording applications to basic fields in the Manure Tracker app. Watch the next videos in this series to see how to record applications to advanced field types and how to email the records as a CSV file.